Now these are some SOC 2 providers which are found online. So these are not any recommendations. I have found them online, okay? So we'll go one by one. So this first one is Top Certifier, and this is also Vive Technologies. So these are their presence in Bahrain, Kuwait, so Middle East, and majorly in Middle East and India. So their SOC 2 certification, basically we need to send an inquiry form to them. So these are the 5 steps. So we have to send an inquiry form initial, and they can do a gap analysis, and it's a free one, and they can send us the quotation. If we accept the quote, then we begin with the SOC 2 engagement. And these are all the steps. So get audit by a licensed CPA auditor. And then we can finally get a SOC 2 type 1 report. This is attestation. This is not a certificate, okay? So SOC 2 is an attestation. ISO 27001 is a certificate, okay? So don't get confused between certification and attestation. Yeah? We are getting an attested report by a licensed CPA. We are not getting any certification like ISO 27001, okay? Now the second vendor is CertPro. So CertPro, you can see the clients, locations in. So what I found good is they have shared tentative cost. Like for these many employees, they will cost approx $5,000. 100 to 250 will cost approx $10,000. And this pricing is for 3 trust service criteria. Now this you have to remember, okay? So and you need to get this clarified by the vendors. So we will see that in another section, what things or what queries we should ask the vendors. So this CertPro have this step for SOC 2. These are the steps. So they understand the scope. Then there is what are the current controls already existing in a company. Then do a gap analysis. Engage a CPA firm. So this is another question, whether this vendor is engaging an independent licensed CPA editor individual, or will it be a CPA firm? So if it's a CPA firm with a group of licensed CPA editors, then it would have a more trust, and therefore the cost would be high for such kind of audit, okay? And after that, there would be some pre-assessment readiness review, then SOC 2 audit, and then last we have SOC 2 attestation. So this is the process for this vendor. Okay, and the next one is this, which is critical. And these are the process. They have gap assessment, then policy drafting, implementation, audit training, and get the attestation. Okay. This is for cert value. So cert value, they have a similar inquiry form. We send them inquiry with our basic information. They get back to us with some quotation and demo. So in all these vendors, we have a similar process. We share some basic company details. They walk us through a demo of SOC 2 audit and quotation and deliverables and what to expect from them. And then we can kickstart the project.